and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I antiqued this mirror. This style of video is going to be like how I do my furniture flips, but I'm also going to be showing you how to antique a mirror. It is Try It Out Tuesday, and I got this idea from Jenna Sue off of YouTube. So if you guys don't follow her, I'm going to have her channel linked down below, as well as the video that I got the idea from. I like the fact that she used Clorox instead of the muriatic acid. And as you can see here, it's pretty hard to film with the mirror without showing yourself. Hey guys. So let's get started. The first step is removing the backing and the mirror from the frame. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how thick this mirror was, and it was super heavy. Okay, so now we're going to take my favorite citrus strip, which I call citrus stripper, and I'm just going to add it generously to the back of the mirror. Alright, so now I'm going to take my putty knife and I'm going to start to remove the gray part from the mirror so that we can uncover our reflective surface underneath. So now I'm just going to take some of my citrus stripper and remove some of the parts that wouldn't come off with the putty knife. After I removed all the gray surface, I'm just going to take some water and spray in the back of my mirror so that I can clean off any of the remaining residue. Now I'm going to take my glass cleaner and I'm just going to clean off the glass before we start to add the Clorox. Alright, so now I'm going to take my bleach and I'm going to start to spray around my edges. Now, you can dilute this with water if you want, but I didn't. I just started to spray on the bleach. And then you're going to let it sit for a little while, and then you're going to remove it. So right here, I'm just going to start to stand far back and just spray so I can get light mist in the middle of my mirror. So I let this sit on here for not even maybe 2 minutes, and I took it off because I didn't dilute it with water. Now I'm going to take my paper towel and I'm going to start to wipe away the Clorox. You can already kind of see the black on the mirror, and that is where the Clorox has dissolved that reflective surface. And here's a different angle so you guys can see what I'm talking about, where the Clorox has dissolved that reflective surface. Okay, so now I'm going to just clean off my mirror with the glass cleaner so that I can see how the Clorox dissolved that surface from the front. After I saw what it looked like from the front, I decided that it needed to be aged a little bit more on my edges. So I'm going back with my Clorox, and this is optional. This just goes with your preference and how you want your mirror to look. So you can go back and add some more Clorox, or you can just keep it the way it is. Now that I've got it how I want it, I'm just going to go right back again with my glass cleaner and clean off the glass. Another good way to track your progress is to put it up against some light. As you can see, there's a couple of scratches over there that I have. That's from me being really hard with the putty knife, so you want to go kind of light. I mean, a little scratches are okay, but you don't want too many. Alright, so now it's time to add some color. I'm going to use Krylon Metallic Gold and Waverly Metallic Paint, color Moonstone, which is really, really pretty. So I'm going to start with my spray paint, and I'm going to start to spray over the back of the mirror. And then I'm going to take my metallic paint, and I'm going to go over any spots that I missed with my gold spray paint. Okay, so now the last step is sealing it with black spray paint. I think this is like the most important step, especially if you're using color. You don't have to use the color and you can just seal it right away. But if you use the color and you put the black on top, it really makes the color pop and you can really see the aging effect. Alright, so this is how the mirror looks after I primed it first and then I painted it. The color is Plaster by Waverly. And now I'm going to start to distress it. Now I'm going to start to add my clear wax on first and then my dark wax on top of that so we can start the antiquing process of our mirror frame. Okay, so this is what the frame looks like after I have started to remove the dark wax with my clear wax, and I'm going to give you a closer up view of that. Okay, so now I'm just going to start to reassemble our whole entire mirror. And again, I'm going to come with my mirror and I'm going to spray it with the glass cleaner. So I took that same metallic paint and I painted this little design, and now I'm going to go in the inner corners of the mirror and I'm going to add the same metallic paint. Alright guys, so that is the end of the tutorial, and that is how you antique a mirror. Super simple, right? I love the way this mirror turned out. It's just so super cute. This is the perfect DIY for any antique and vintage lover. You can make your own antique mirror. No lie, these mirrors are like over $1,000 frameless on Anthropologie's website. And you can make your own for well under that. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and that you comment below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and that you have that notification bell turned on so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!